week's Geneva Motor Show, Rimac will uncover its diversion-changing successor to the Concept 1 electric hypercar. Truly, the auto that almost slaughtered Richard Hammond is going to get significantly more extraordinary. We were anticipating that it should enter Bugatti Chiron domain and pack around 500 more horses over the 1,073 horsepower Concept 1. Turns out it will have about twofold the yield of its ancestor. In front of its fast-approaching uncover, Rimac has affirmed the Concept 2 pack. Sit tight for it. 1914 drive. Brain blown. To put this disclosure into point of view, that is more than 400 horsepower more than the Bugatti Chiron. It just takes 2.8 seconds for the Concept 1 to do the 0 to 62 miles per hour run, yet with about 2,000 horsepower on tap, we should see an impressive execution change from its successor. In view of this, we wouldn't be at all shocked if the Concept 2 beats the new Tesla Roadster, which as far as anyone knows quickens from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. In the event that this wasn't at that point noteworthy, reports likewise propose the Concept 2 will have level 4 independence, so it will fundamentally have the capacity to drive itself. However, it will at present require a driver to be in the driver's seat. A name for Rimac's new electric hypercar hasn't been affirmed yet, however the title of this secret video presented on Facebook alludes on the auto as the C_2, so this could be the auto's legitimate moniker. Generation of the Concept 2 will be constrained to 100 units, each costing over $1.25 million. We could hardly wait to discover more about the Rimac Concept 2 when it breaks cover at Geneva tomorrow.